In this video, we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to make an outdoor electric charger stand using simple tools for less than $50. This is what we are going to need for our simple project. A wooden deck post, a 15-inch plastic pot, a bag of Quickcrete. We start centering the pole inside the pot with the drainage hole facing the front. This is optional, but we will try adding a draining tube to keep water out of the planter. A power drill is helpful, but this can be done with a screwdriver. We center the pole using a single leftover screw. Any type will work, making sure the drain hole is uncovered. We get some leftover PVC pipe, a piece of a plastic hose, or any hollow plastic we can find. We cut it to size and we place it over the drain hole using a bungee cord to secure it. Again, this is optional and it can be skipped if the materials are not available. Now we move to the concrete mix bag. We are going to need half of the bag, so the other half can be reserved for another DIY task in the future. It is important to use gloves and proper PPE when handling concrete mix. Put enough water to the mix so all of it is soaked and dries properly. This might take a few minutes, so leave it to rest for at least what the package says. Give it a quick shake so the water penetrates the concrete mix. This is the only step where we need a bit of patience. Remember to like and follow for more DIY ideas. Now you can take the bungee cord off the pole. The concrete mix should hold the drain pipe in place already. Cut the tube to size again. With some leftover spray paint, give the wooden pole a better look. In this case, we were lucky to find brown paint from a previous project. Now that the concrete mix is dry, we can take our stand indoor for the final step. I forgot to record the unboxing, so here is a stock picture of the hardware we are using. We start by putting the wall holder, measuring the distance from the plug to where it will hang. All it takes is 2 drywall anchors and 2 screws. You can do this by hand. Easy. And now the charger holder on the pole. The bracket also uses only 2 screws, only requiring a screwdriver. We securely place the housing on the bracket and our DIY charger stand is complete. This mobile charger is going to be placed outside the garage door, so we make sure the cable goes out right on the corner so the door closes properly. This simple DIY also works with other EV chargers. All you need is the proper charger and hardware. And now we can wrap the cable on our DIY holder and forget about loose cables on the floor. We didn't need to drill big holes on our house, and we can use the mobile charger on trips as well. This is a better option than having a permanent charger at home. As you can see, no drilling and no holes on the wall, and it is rated for outdoor use too. Easy, cheap, and simple DIY project with only 4 things that looks amazing. You can add details to the pot like a gnome or some plants, all optional. Whenever you need to take the charger with you, all you have to do is disconnect it, put it inside the carrying case, and that's it. The charger stand can be put away also, or it can be moved to a different location. Make sure you give us a follow for more DIY ideas and easy fixes. Drop a comment if there is something you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.